Hey everyone, it's me. Just doing this short video to show you these hens that are taking a dust bath and a sun bath. They look really strange when they lay out like that, but that's what they do. They scratch around, then they sit down and fluff themselves up in the dirt. With their wings, somehow they get dirt on them, and then they do this cleaning that they're doing. Then they'll lay back down, stretched out like that in the sun. They are amazing to watch. See, my bud rock is doing it right now. They'll get that dirt on them. They're smart. It can scare you though if you don't know what they're doing and you walk up and see them laid out like that. They know just how to move around to get dirt on them. That one's getting the drink. They love a good old dirt bath. That's good. I'm glad I don't have to bathe them. There's Big Daddy. She's had enough. Aren't they smart? Okay, I'll talk to you later.